Hi, my name is Jamie Taylor. Oh, that light is kind of, I'll try to do this. Today is January 16th, 2023, and I will be going over the kidney dissection. I do have this note card I'll put beside me, so I just make sure I list the different things that are required. And then I'm going to tilt this, I think, so hopefully, yeah, I think that one might be the best. Okay, so oh goodness, it slid. Okay, so out here along the outer part right here, we have the renal cortex. And then you have, then here, these are the renal medulla. And each of these renal medulla right here, there's the renal pyramids. It has a papilla there at the renal pyramids, and then we have the renal sinuses right here, and the renal hilum, I guess, goes all the way here. I don't know, maybe you can, it's better to see all around here is the renal hilum, where they enter and exit with the renal artery and vein and the ureters. Okay, so that was the renal hilum. The minor calyx will be up here. They go into it, and then where they feed into the bigger one is the major calyx. The renal pelvis, of course, is right here, where they feed into the major calyces, and you can see probably some down in there. And then, let's see, I had the renal hilum, I think I already said. And then, I'll close this back up. And you have where it kind of, this is the fibrous capsule here on the outside, but you have, here you can see some that looks like where the arteries and vein, renal artery and vein would go into. But then this right here, we would have the portion that would extend out, the superior portion of the ureter. And I believe those are the main portions of the sheep kidney. Make sure, I'm just going to glance, make sure I went over all of them. Can't read that. Yep, I believe that is the sheep kidney dissection. Thank you.